Deutsche Bank caught a bit of a break last week with a surprise pass on the Fed's stress test. We covered that quite extensively, of course. Now the bank is back in the spotlight with plans to cut as many as 20,000 jobs. That's more than a fifth of the bank's global workforce, and the German lender may exit its US equities business altogether. Joining us now from Frankfurt is our German banking reporter, Stephen Ahrens. Steve, great to have you with us. What can you tell us then about these major changes? Another set of gloomy headlines for Deutsche Bank.
That's right. I think the most important takeaway is they're really serious about this overhaul. Christian Sewing, he came in last year, presented a restructuring plan that didn't really deliver results. He now realized he needs something bigger and stronger. He is preparing this in 20,000 job cuts, as you just said, more than a fifth of the workforce. If that really is the plan he will present, then it will be the biggest overhaul of the bank in many years and decades even. And we'll see if that's going to be enough to convince investors.
OK, I mean, why is this all happening now, Steve? We've had CEO after CEO trying to get a handle on what's been happening at Deutsche Bank and trying to make it more competitive globally. Why is this all happening now then?
The bank has been struggling for many years to achieve a healthy level of profitability, and all the previous turnaround plans that you mentioned, all the previous CEOs that have tried to turn around the bank, they always tried to nip and tuck on the edges of the bank. They never actually got down to the investment bank, which has been a problem for Deutsche Bank for a long time. It's been really unprofitable. This plan now seems to envision much bigger cuts to the investment bank than the previous ones, because I think the bank has basically given up on its previous ambition to compete head-to-head with the U.S. investment banks.